What's up, everybody? Today we're at a car wash. If you know anything about Jamaica or a yardman, you know say yardman love them car and we love we car clean. You can ask Skunk Nation about that. Nick Lowe will tell you. The thing them up fresh. So today we're there at the car wash and you don't know, them always have food at a car wash. A man a cook a soup and a car just come in. Mama just in here sell her fish and thing and them sitting there and people are buy. So I want.
No man, no. What you do?
I look on the food.
Hey. Where you look on?
I look on the fish and everything we have in there.
Everything.
Yeah, make me know what you have.
Fish, chicken, pork, everything.
Everything's out of. Fish up, man.
$100.
Straight out of the car back, I want to support. That's why they look divine.
Oh my goodness, with the rice and peas and the fresh veg.
Watch them, man.
Just like that.
When you left the car back, the man them are going with a bag of things around us, so Indian are going with build up a pot. When them have a pumpkin, man, Kong. Where are they with Indian? They say a Kong soup?
Yeah, it's a Kong soup today.
Kong soup are they with?
Yeah, man.
So I build just a build up the pot now?
Yeah, we just build him up there now. So I deal with him now, beat him. So cut him up now.
Knock him out and make sure it's awesome.
Is the Kong me a bang up? Get it like a softer and cut him up. So we have to slice him like this. And get him turn. And get it, pound him out. Try and pound out.
And now put them up and on.
Yeah, right.
The pot. This is food for your pot.
Yeah.
The pumpkin, carrot.
Dasheen, pork, Irish and...
Yeah, man.
Sorry, let me go for you.
I go for the pepper?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, can't let the pepper.
We go country pepper, no?
What do you mean, man? On the North Coast Highway, with car zing by, I look for a pot. Here's a man saying I fry up some Congri. Congri is a big eel that you'll see underwater that you find mostly in the shallow part. Well, not really in the shallow part, on the reefs. It's an eel that goes around the reefs, big eel in Jamaica. And a man said them a fry up some Congri and thing down at a little fishing village. So we just make a trot go down. Is that man? I'm not walking, I said I'm not walking. Yeah man, all in that pot already. Them type of vibes are. Street side, look pot up.
I seafood, it's enough.
Right.
Look on it, seafood special. Yeah, son?
Yeah man.
Yeah, man?
We're literally the right on the street side and right across from the street light, heading out of Ironshore right here. This is a pot of seafood that them just catch. Right here is the seaside, the local fishing village, where the fishing boats are on the other side. The fishing men come in with the fish every morning and they come and get the seafood. One more pot of bubble mash show.
Sea mix? Yeah, well curry. Well mixed. All kind of seafood, well mixed, you know? Yeah.
Taste got like different taste.
Right.
It's like
This is the seafood soup.
Yeah man.
You understand? Yeah. When you eat this food here, soup, you must want some sex. Cause this make you right in, you know.
It's a breeder man pot.
Yeah, breeder man pot is that one now. Right, so live at the poor pot.
What kind of seafood?
Eh?
What kind of seafood? Sea cat.
Yeah.
Some squid, some kong.
Sea cat.
Yeah,
all different type of seafood now. Just chill seafood.
This is right by Ironshore. If you're heading that way, you're heading to Kingston. If you're heading that way passing Tire Warehouse on your right, you're heading to Kingston. If you're heading into Montego Bay, this place is on the right side. Wicked door, right at the stoplight.
Alright, this one now, this is the bad boy, this is the pork. Anal and call it. Anything you want to put it. Look at it.
The pork is stewed on and a bubble for a while. You can see it start separate from the bone, so you know
it's soon
ready to go on.
Alright.
This is how we come down here. This is the Congri. What the boss say, man? Sea eel Congri. I've had it before. I've never had it deep fried, I don't think. We've had the eel, Japanese sushi style eel on a sushi roll and them things. Them eel don't come from Jamaica, them eel don't come from Florida waters. This come right out of Florida water, fresh Congri that them catch them dicing up. You can see that him already sliced it so that it going put a little butter in it and add some, what you say, I fry him down. Fry down that and now add some okra to this butter.
My goodness now. Yeah. My goodness now.
Yeah man. Okra, but you can say I gungo this. Man, them a season the rice, so them adding scaleless and pepper and thyme into the rice. But it's straight rice, not rice and peas and anything. Just a season up the rice so it add more flavor into it. Yeah, man, the smell of bubble up and on. Can I smell all of that stuff now?
Yeah, so the prepare feed now. Alright, no, prepare feed in a minute now. Alright.
You heard the chef say. The chef said prepare feeds in a minute. You have a back wheel or something if you do that. Yes sir, ready, you ready?
Yeah. Alright, boss, see that? Nice. Breadfruit and roast now, done?
Yeah man.
That's breadfruit and pork patty, right?
Breadfruit have to go with that pork there.
Yeah.
Soak up some of our one.
Yes, man.
Full spread of one, you have the rice I cook right there. Breadfruit and roast right there. So. The pork is them have the seafood curry, that is them have the pata soup with the conch and the octopus and all of the food in there go on. I can't get this.
Yeah.
Just a dice smoke.
Season up, you know.
No.
This is the Congri Eel.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. So how are you going to do this today?
We're fried.
Roast fry?
Fry in the island. French. Again, escovitch if you want. Come on, escovitch. Come on, escovitch.
Not too bad.
We're fried though. Can't call it escovitch.
Yeah.
Yeah, 31 I
Make sure the seasoning gets all up in there. Soaking it into it.
Deep fry, man. Deep fry now. Then, so, when it awesome.
Let's go put on a season. Let's go with it. Once I'm a deep fry. Let's go with it.
Yeah, man, let's go with it. Yeah, so.
Man gone into the soup pot right now. You see how I put that seasoning into the Congri. Whole heap of seasoning gone and just cut up some pepper onto it, some fresh Scotch bonnet pepper, so you know so it infused with that flavor and some heat tonight. I know, right? The soup. The soup ready, I know.
Yeah. Soup ready now, so may I put it together now? Still going to shit. Yes, the food and bath time to come up. Give it time to can give so.
Banana in there.
Yes, man, everything there, man.
Instead of fish, pumpkin, carrot. Fully loaded. Everything coming at you out of that pot, full of flavor. You can see there's fish in there, you can see there's conch in there, sea cat, full loaded. Seafood pot. So the soup shot. Oh wow, that's lovely. It's very light. It's not a heavy soup. Not a lot of base in it. It's more like a fish tea almost type of setting where it's very water based, but a lot of flavor in there. You can taste the fish that's in there. A little hint of the conch is in there as well. The okra is awesome with it. You put the okra in there and the okra just provides a little more of that. You feel like you almost drink steamed fish.
Oh, yeah.
Listen. Catch piece out and roast piece out.
Alright.
Roast piece of Congri and catch piece of pepper pan. Just a vibe, everybody are cooking and something are going somewhere. Somebody putting something by the fire, somebody's putting something on the fire. I run some more things in the pot, boy. Good vibe. The more I sip on the soup is the more flavor I get in outside, the more intense it getting down there. There's even some peanut in there which I never even realized before. Peanut gone with it. That's why them said it's a breeder man soup. Whole heap of things in there. I don't know what am I checking up to me. Soup shot. Right on the roadside, you pull up, you can get a cup of soup. Them have food as well. You see the pork came off of the pot. The Congri gone to go fry up. We're waiting on the Congri. Them said they're going to put it out here as well to fry up. Esco Beach. You have the breadfruit to go with the pork, the soup as well. Like I said, a lot of things. There's also other shops here. You can see some people getting ready now, kind of early now. It's around midday now. people getting ready now to set up theirs now and start their fire, put something on the pot. Something popping up in the soup, and when I look, is the wing of the squid. That little piece right there, so. That's half of the squid. So the first piece of seafood that I get is a squid, and then I see the yellow yam after that with the okra down there as well. It just gets better and better. The more you go, the more you want. And sip until you reach the food. And you know how we deal it with the food. You deal with the food, you have to ring until you get the piece that you want. So if you want the okra, get the okra. Got the okra.
The season flour, we did it. I put some season in the flour. Deep fried it. Put the Congers. So I just make a pop right at the time. I saw it. Yeah, man. So I season the flour. Deep fried it. So what did it? No, over it. Yeah.
One of them just put the Congri in the pot, so you don't know when that fry up. I had a little escovite sauce on that. Yeah, so this is a Congri deep fry.
Yeah, it's a Congri deep fry. Right. I guess one about this
Put one buns about it.
Yeah.
That Congri just come off of the pot. You see that crispy golden texture that he got on it. Sealing in all of that juice. So none of that juice. It's a very flaky meat. It's a light meat. It's not a heavy fish. So it's sealed in all of that juice. And you see the crispy of the golden texture that was on it. The crunch that's going to be on that is amazing. And then the soft, buttery texture of the Congri underneath that. We can't wait for touch that. And as him done, one next set gone in. Man, then go for that. Man, then go for them plate.
No, you're right. Look at that. Yeah. All right,
Congratulations. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Smell that? Smells amazing. Woo! Just touch me. Oh my goodness. Come. Pull up with the one. Gravy some gravy for them. Oh boy.
That's small taste.
Oh boy. Oh boy. And that's some of the gravy.
Take one.
Gravy more. Yeah, the gravy and the rice. The gravy and the rice. Oh yeah, thank you so much. There's a food basket.
Lots of touch of everything, you know, so we have to have a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and a little bit of everything. Nose around, sweating, pepper in the food. Nice flavor. Holy pepper. The pork, holy pepper in the curry. Pepper teriyaki. I'm gonna try this already. This is the Congri. The crispiness of it, the juiciness of it, the flakiness inside. So crunchy. Total white meat in there. Excellent. Very flaky, very sweet. Crunch. Seasoned perfectly. Holding in the juiciness of it, never dry it out with the cooking, never fry it so long as to get dry out. You still have a whole heap of juice in there. Yeah man, shot. The man not even selling the food, this is just something that him doing for the people right here, supporting the place. Just doing a little cookout, good Jamaican vibe, nice friends hanging out, having some food, good food, some liquor, little white rum, little red stripe, little, you know it go. And Congri, really good. These are the adventures that make Jamaica. I was at the car wash, a man just come in and say, yo, I cooked some Congri down the road and a pot of soup up on the fire already. And that's what's happening. That's how it works. Sweet to push up. I mean. All in all, a good day. Food, everything. And we are out.